Hi everybody, happy lunchtime. It's Rocco, sourdough chef. Today I wanted to I couldn't help it. Mrs. Rocco, who loves me dearly, right babes?
Of course, absolutely,
Okay.
everything.
And cares for my health. What does she make me for lunch today? Um, Actually, she made it last night. Kids got it for dinner and lunch today. This is my reheated lunch. What it is Mrs. Rocco's Anna Paula's, aka Anna Paula's, Ragu of lentils. So this is a pure vegan recipe and vegetarian and heart and body healthful. And I just want to share it. I can't help do that. And some extra virgin olive oil, as much as you want. As much as you want. I don't care stories. There is no cholesterol in it. It's the best oil you can have, particularly if you make your own chili drizzle like we do. This is straight from Rocco Pizza. And add that. Love it. Good for you. You can at this stage choose to have a little bit of Parmigiano or not. Freshly grated. I'm choosing to have a little bit. Last time you may have seen I did a vegan cashew nut Parmigiano of sorts with nutritional yeast. That was pretty cool. Amazing. Today I'm going to go old school. I can't recommend enough how great this lentil ragu tastes. It's made exactly the way you make a normal ragu, but you just substitute meat for lentils straight out of a can. So you do your sofrito, the mirror pies, the French say, carrots, onions and celery, stir fry that, put your lentils in, give everything a bit of a brown together. You can or you may or may not wish to have a little bit of wine in it, red or white. I think anytime you're using lentils, beautiful with red wine and plenty of garlic, because lentils love garlic and they love red wine.